You've used Klein Tools screwdrivers and nut drivers because they are the best. Now you can use them with the power tool. Klein's latest innovation is the multi-bit power driver. This patent-pending tool combines multiple screwdriver and nut driver functions in one power tool adapter. The solid body with 1/4-inch hex quick connect easily attaches to any power drill. These power drivers are designed and constructed to withstand the high RPMs and force of even the most aggressive impact driver. Available in 2 models, both units offer 3 screw driving functions. The smaller unit has 2 nut driving sizes, while the larger size offers 3 nut driving functions. The Klein multi-bit power driver allows you to quickly change between functions. No more wasting time and money searching for the different accessories in your tool bag. Everything you need is in the chuck of the drill at all times.
When comparing PEX plumbing installation systems, there is a clear choice. The Oetiker PEX Grip system is built on simplicity, for faster, easier crimping than using copper crimp rings. We call this difference crimplicity. With the PEX Grip system, one tool fits all. The Oetiker 3-handle ratchet tool will crimp all Oetiker PEX clamps from 3/8 to 1 inch. Made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, Oetiker's patented PEX Grip clamps are pre-crimped to stay in position without sliding, allowing for a fast, secure crimp using a single tool. The Oetiker ear clamp design only requires the ear to be crimped, which is compact and easy to access. Crimping starts with the center handle and easily finishes with the outer handles. When the handles automatically release, a quality crimp is complete. Let's go through the crimplicity of the PEX Grip system compared to the challenges of using copper crimp rings. Slide the clamp or copper ring onto the tubing and insert the fitting. Slide the tubing until it evenly meets the shoulder of the fitting. With PEX Grip, you can now correctly position the clamp and it will stay in place till crimped. The copper ring hangs loose and easily slides away. With the Oetiker PEX Grip system, there's only one easy-to-use tool for all clamp sizes. Copper rings can be complicated. You'll need multiple tools, or you might have to install separate crimping jaw sets for each ring size. To properly position copper crimp rings, you may have to pre-crimp the ring with a separate tool to keep it from sliding. PEX Grip clamps stay in place without an additional step. Copper crimping tools can take 70 to 80 pounds of force to complete the crimp, which can cause significant hand and wrist strain. And copper crimping tools must grip the entire ring for 360 degrees of compression, which can be difficult when dealing with tight spaces or obstacles. The PEX grip system uses a simpler, smaller ear crimp that only requires 40 to 50 pounds of force, which greatly reduces hand and wrist strain. Connection should be visually inspected to ensure proper ear closure, shown here. The PEX grip system delivers crimplicity. One tool fits all sizes, so there's less to carry on the job.
How do you level your ladder on uneven ground? You need the Pivot Ladder Tool from ProVision Tools. The Pivot levels an extension ladder in seconds, providing you a quicker, safer way to work. Tired of indoor chores being so risky? The Pivot Ladder Tool adjusts to varying degrees of uneven surfaces, yet has no moving parts. It's easy to set up for all those hard-to-reach projects around the house. It's portable and can easily be moved from extension ladder to extension ladder. The Pivot employs hundreds of rubber gripper feet, which keeps the pivot from slipping, and its non-skid material helps keep the foot of the ladder secure. Now you can work in all those awkward, hard-to-reach places with ease. For your scaffolding needs, secure a second Pivot Ladder Tool over the ladder rung, and you have a convenient walkboard support. Pivot has a duty rating of 500 pounds. Also available from ProVision Tools is the Pivot Thumb. Just snap the Pivot Thumb onto the wire bail of a 1-gallon paint can, and you'll have a comfortable cut-in bucket. Now paint for hours without strain on the hand or thumb. On those really steep roofs that you can't walk on, install the Roof Boot. Just nail it securely under the shingles and secure a section of your ladder. It also works with the Pivot Ladder Tool. Secure your paint tray and tools in seconds with the Pivot platform. You can even stand on it.
Keep your car neat, clean, and organized with the Stashaway Seatback Litter Station. The Stashaway combines a leak-proof covered trash can with storage pockets and a tissue box holder, providing a full-service cleanup station on the seat back. It holds 2.5 gallons of trash and features an innovative stuff-top lid that stays closed even while tossing the trash. The Stashaway is easy to assemble and install on any seat back in minutes. Place a standard or family-sized tissue box into the back compartment and secure it with the hook and loop tab. Then slip the 2 side braces into the slots behind the carry handles. The braces keep the Stashaway stable and upright. Next, wrap the adjustable hanging strap around the headrest post and cinch to tighten. You can position the litter station higher or lower on the seat back for the best reach. That's it. The Stashaway Seatback Litter Station is ready to use. 2 side pockets with cinch-tight closures keep bottles and containers upright. The Stashaway is fully leak-proof, so spills won't stain carpets or upholstery. High Road Stashaway Litter Station is a full-service seatback organizer to keep the ride room clean, contained, and organized.
Hi, this is a video response to the questions we were getting online to show some close-ups of the caulk-away tool actually being used and showing it stripping away the old caulk. This is an all-plastic tool. This is a do-it-yourselfer type tool. We also have those that are more durable or larger for prolonged use. This will be just fine for doing a redo on a bathroom. What you've got here is you've got these wings that are flexible that allow you to get into the corner. As you push in, they actually flex out of the way. You have a scraper on the other side, this little piece here, or a little hook that allows you to get in and really start to grab the pieces that are way inside. And then I actually utilize these little wings themselves. They almost act like little plastic putty knives. And the reason you want plastic versus metal is that metal will scratch the surfaces or the enamel off of whatever you're working on. We've got marble and we've got tile here, and this is just in the demo room. But you don't want to have metal on that because metal will actually scratch the enamel off, leave marks, and then that's a place for mold and mildew to start growing in, and then it basically gets up underneath the caulk and you've got the same problem you had before. So plastic is important. So utilizing this, I'll just go ahead and you put it in the corner, you start to scrape off, get yourself started. This is what I do with it. You can see you got pieces that are coming off pretty easy. Then I take the piece and I jam it into the corner. See how it's in the corner there? And you pull, or push, I'm sorry, and that starts to strip off also.